Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be based on a full face peachy look that is perfect for the spring and summer. If you guys are new to my channel, I usually post once a week or every other week on YouTube about makeup tutorials and topics that come to my mind. If that is your cup of tea, I highly encourage you to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for all of my new videos. All of the products that I've used will be listed in the description area below. If you would like to see how I created this look, then stay tuned. First of all, I will be filling in my eyebrows according to their natural shape. Next, I'm going to be setting my eyebrows into place by using my eyebrow gel. Now I'm cleaning up the edges of my eyebrows with a clean Q-tip. Now next I'm applying my all-time favorite eyeshadow base, which is MAC's Layin Low Paint Pot. Now next I'm mixing up a matte, warm, toasty brown eyeshadow shade and applying it to my outer lid and crease areas. To add more definition, I'm going to be applying a matte dark brown shade on the top of it. Now I'm going to be applying a matte beige shade to blend out the edges. Now next I'm applying a cream shade to my brow bone area. Next I'm applying the same paint pot I used earlier to create a half cut crease effect. Now I'm blending out the edges with my finger. Now I'm applying an orangey peach shade on top of that paint pot. Now I'm highlighting my tear duct area with a silvery cream eyeshadow shade. Now I'm blending out the edges with that same blending brush. Now I'm applying Hourglass's mascara like so. To prepare for false eyelashes, I'm using Kiss's eyelash glue. I'm going to give that glue a minute or two to get tacky. Now that the eyelash glue is tacky, I'm applying some brand new false eyelashes that I got from my local flea market. Now I'm going to be applying a dark brown eyeliner to my lower lash line area. Now I'm using that same warm brown shade to blend it out. With no additional products, I'm going to be using the same blending brush to blend out the edges. Now that my eyes are all done, I'm going to be using my Urban Decay's All Nighter Primer. I'm in love with the way the eye look turned out, especially with the eyelashes that give it that wispy look. Now I'm applying my foundation, which is the Clinique's Acne Solutions Foundation. I have acne prone skin and combination skin, so this helps out a lot with balancing everything out. To highlight my skin, I'm using Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Deep Honey. As you can see, the product is very thick, so little goes a very long way. Now next I'm going to be using my custom-made cream blush, highlight and contour palette, and I'm going to start off by contouring my face and nose. I want to give my face that lift, so I'm going to be applying that contour shade slightly above my cheekbone area. Now I'm using that same foundation brush and I'm going to be blending out the edges of my cream contour and highlight. So before I apply any powder products, I always make sure I blend out my cream and liquid products first. I want my cheeks, lips, and eyes to match, so I'm going to be applying a cream blush that has an orange shade to it. Now I'm using Beauty Bakerie's setting powder in the shade Oak to set my concealer and foundation in place. To set my cream contour in place, I'm using Benefit Hoola Toasted Bronzer in the shade Deep. I am officially 2 months post-op and I'm pain-free, so now I'm looking forward to doing more spring and summer looks. To set my cream blush into place, I'm creating a coral blush shade and applying it like so. Next, I'm applying a highlighter to the highest points of my face. Now next I'm applying MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NW45. I love the way that it blends out the harsh edges of my blush, contour, and highlight. Now I'm setting my base into place with Urban Decay's All Nighter Setting Spray. My favorite part of all is the lips. Now I'm applying NYX lip liner in the shade Nutmeg. Overall, it kind of looks like a burnt orange to me in the lighting, but I love a neutral look with some color. Now to top it all off, I'm applying the Lip Bar's lip gloss in the shade Baddie. It ties the look together and it complements the eye look and the cheeks really well. Well, the look is all complete. I sure hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for all my new videos. Until next time, take care, stay blessed, y'all.